Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jerry. I have a little nice surprise for y'all. Just today I found a backpack, and when I started going through it, I found a screwdriver, so I decided to explore with you. So let me go get it so we can find out together what it has inside. Alrighty. Here's the backpack. It's like a girl's backpack. It has some clothes. And then I'm like, probably just junk. But then, you know, it's just junk. Still has some stuff in there. And then I found this. Wire cutters. Commercial electric. So this is like 15 bucks or so, you know. And I found this screwdriver, and it says commercial too. So let's put a little bit over here so y'all can see. Let's see if y'all can see that. Alrighty. Give me a second. Alright. There's a button there, so I'm gonna start throwing this stuff away. Alright, so let's keep finding out what it has in here. Wow. Can't believe it. I guess this belonged to a teenager or something, I don't know. But there's a lot of condoms. Condoms and lubricant. Oh wow. That's a little bit nasty. I'll move the camera a little bit over here so y'all can see. Bunch of condoms, guys. This is crazy. Expire 2016. They expire already. Plus, I'm not gonna use this crap. Hell no. Never use what I find. This is just so funny. Bunch of condoms. Never open. And then the Vaseline. Someone was getting freaky. Alright, let's throw this shit away. Alright, well, these are the treasures. There's some glasses. Power. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, look, some wire cutters. Some, man. This girl seems that she was sneaking out or something. I don't know. Let's throw this shit away. Some dominoes. DVD. What the hell this shit is. Stuff is gonna go in the trash. Hand and body lotion. Alrighty, that's it, guys. So let me show you. Get a little bit closer. wire cutters, 2 screwdrivers, box cutter, some sunglasses. Like I said, I don't know what the hell that is. Dominoes, a DVD. So, alright guys, well, thanks for being here with me, exploring on what this backpack had. This is way too funny that I found the condoms. Well, this is Jerry. Thanks for watching my videos. I have more, so go ahead and watch them all. They're very educational and fun. Subscribe, comment, like, and share this video, and you have a good day now.